So we were here, there's going to be another video, a night video, but we're just going to take a quick walk through here in the Golden Gai neighborhood during the day. So you can see what it's like. With the sun out, you get a lot more of the colors, and it's not as busy, so we can get a little bit of a feel and look at like the actual buildings. It was really busy the last time we were here, so let's check it out. A little walk through. A lot different than last night. This kind of goes down to a dead end, but so cool, all the signs and everything. So this goes down to a main street and then goes over here. So we're just going to take a little shortcut down this alley. Cheers. Came back around. Just so cool, man. Hair of the dogs. The wires remind you of Asia, definitely. Look at this. Goes up to other bars. Cut through the alley again. I haven't seen any rats. And then this is the Nagi Ramen Street. Look at this. Can I see inside there?
Thank you.
Again? Can I film it?
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, look, we got Asahi.
Asahi, yeah.
Asahi?
Asahi. Asahi, super dry.
Super dry.
Super dry. Yes. Good, please.
Oh, thank you. You got some cats in the corner. And over here we have the liquor is split up. Over there is 1,000 yen for a drink. In the middle is all your high-end, the expensive stuff. And then these are all the liquors you need to make a cocktail. And we have some Japanese rice wine in a box. And we have super dry. Super dry. And then we have this beer. And then look at the origami coaster.
Yeah.
Amazing.
A sugar cane.
Oh. Cool. What's your name?
And my name is Hidemaru.
Oh. I'm Dan.
Dan.
Yeah.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
No cover charge. Oh, how about me over there? Please come in. Please.
So this is my first Golden Gai beer.
Welcome, Golden Gai.
Welcome, Golden Gai.
Golden Gai.
Yeah.
Thank you very much.
Welcome, Golden Gai.
Golden Gai.
So I was outside. I was kind of figuring out what to do because I have to be somewhere at 3:30, and it's only about 1 o'clock. So I was just gonna go back to the hotel, and I came across my friend.
Hi.
And he was opening his bar, and I just wanted to see inside, and now I'm having a beer. So that's kind of what happened. This beer is 1,000 yen? Beer? Yeah, 1,000.
1,000 yen.
So it's about it's $8. So this is Troll Bar. We're here in Golden Gai just hanging out.
Yeah.
And there we are. Quick little walkthrough of the Golden Gai area during the day. So I hope you guys enjoyed this little walkthrough. It really looks totally different than it does at night. So anyway, I'll see you guys soon on Zeekman Travels. If you guys want to see any more Japanese, not just Japanese, but any other food videos from all my travels, go to Zeekman Eats. It's here on YouTube also. So I'll see you guys soon.